After gathering reviews from all over the internet, this comprehensive review will give you a true sense of what users think about the Divoom Times Gate Cyberpunk gaming setup digital clock. If you own this product, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Divoom Times Gate stands out immediately with its striking cyberpunk-inspired design. It is not just a digital clock, it is a visually captivating piece of art, blending futuristic aesthetics with practical features. The device features 5 full-color LCD displays, each with a dazzling 128 by 128 pixel resolution. These screens are capable of displaying vibrant pixel art, animated GIFs, and a variety of information panels, making the Times Gate a centerpiece for any gaming room or office. The silver finish and metal frame give it a premium feel, and the overall build quality has been praised by many users as solid and well-crafted. One of the major highlights of the Times Gate is its smart app control. Through the dedicated Divoom app, users can create custom screen patterns, data dials, and even upload their own pixel art. The app offers access to a vast library of millions of pixel art designs, updated daily, which means the device can be endlessly personalized. Users enjoy the ability to switch between different modes with the push of a button, making it easy to keep the display fresh and engaging. Many reviewers mention that the customization options are a major draw, allowing them to reflect their unique style and creativity. The Times Gate is not just a clock, it is a canvas for self-expression. Functionality is another area where the Times Gate excels. The device provides practical dials such as world clocks, real-time weather updates, special holiday calendars, and more. For those who want to keep track of their digital life, the Times Gate can display virtual assets like stock exchange rates, social media followers, and individual game data. This makes it a powerful information hub for anyone who wants quick, at-a-glance updates during work or play. The integration with APIs allows for real-time alerts on social media, weather, stocks, and sports events, further enhancing its utility. Wi-Fi connectivity is a core feature supporting 802.11b/g/n 2.4 GHz networks. The Times Gate also works with Amazon Alexa and IFTTT, making it a valuable addition to any smart home ecosystem. Users appreciate the seamless remote control and the ability to integrate the device into their broader smart home setups. However, some reviewers note that the device does not include a built-in battery and must be plugged in at all times. This has led to some disappointment, especially since the product does not come with a power brick. Only a USB-C to USB-A cable is included. For the price, many feel that a power adapter should have been part of the package. The Times Gate's display quality is another area that receives consistent praise. The screens are bright, with high enough resolution to make pixel art and information panels pop. The surround lights add an extra layer of ambiance, making the device even more visually appealing. Users who collect LED displays and light-up gadgets often mention that the Times Gate is a standout piece in their collection, thanks to its unique design and versatility. The Nixie Tube simulation mode is especially popular among those who appreciate retro-futuristic aesthetics. In terms of usability, the Times Gate is generally regarded as easy to set up and configure. The app, while functional, is a point of contention among users. Some find it intuitive and effective, while others report frequent crashes, slow loading times, and limited instructions. Android users, in particular, seem to encounter more issues with the app, such as graphics not loading, and unreliable connectivity with other devices like Fitbit and PCs. Customer support is another area where experiences vary, with some users finding it helpful and others frustrated by generic responses. The physical packaging of the Times Gate is often described as luxurious, with a high-quality case that feels premium. However, several reviewers question the necessity of such elaborate packaging, suggesting that omitting the case could lower the product's price and make it more accessible. The instruction manual is another point of critique. It is lengthy, with 84 pages covering multiple languages, but many users find it redundant and believe that most of the information could be delivered more efficiently through the app or a simpler guide. This leads to concerns about wasted resources and unnecessary costs for both customers and the manufacturer. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall consensus is that the Times Gate is a beautiful and functional piece of technology. It is especially well suited for individuals who enjoy customizing their workspace or gaming setup. The ability to display a wide range of information, from time and weather to social media stats and stock prices, makes it a practical tool as well as a decorative one. For users with ADHD or those who appreciate frequent visual stimulation, the Times Gate offers both utility and entertainment, helping them stay organized and engaged throughout the day. Some users mention that while the Times Gate is a bit pricey, it delivers on its promises. The product is exactly as advertised, and those who understand its capabilities before purchasing are generally satisfied. The device is not intended to replace more advanced smart displays or multifunctional screens, but rather to serve as a unique blend of art and information. Its appeal lies in its ability to combine nostalgia, creativity, and modern technology in a single package. There are a few recurring criticisms worth noting. The lack of a power brick is a common complaint, especially since the device must remain plugged in at all times. The app could benefit from more robust development, particularly on Android, where some users experience persistent issues. Integration with other devices, such as Fitbit, is not as seamless as some would like, and the lack of clear instructions for these features can be frustrating. Additionally, some users feel that the device could offer more functionality for the price, especially in terms of software support and connectivity options. On the positive side, the Times Gate's strengths far outweigh its weaknesses for most users. The sheer variety of display options, the quality of the screens, and the depth of customization available through the app make it a standout product in the realm of desktop gadgets. It is an excellent gift for anyone who appreciates technology, art, or gaming culture, and its distinctive design ensures it will be a conversation starter in any setting. In summary, the Divoom Times Gate is a unique and versatile digital clock that combines cyberpunk aesthetics with modern smart features. It is ideal for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants to add a touch of futuristic flair to their workspace or home. The device excels in customization, display quality, and integration with real-time information sources. While the app and power setup could be improved, these are relatively minor issues in the context of the overall experience. If you are looking for a digital clock that is as much a piece of art as it is a functional device, the Times Gate is a compelling choice. Remember, the product link is in the description. Using it helps support the channel. If you have experience with the Divoom Times Gate, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.